Y'all, so the power has been out for an hour and some change. It's supposed to be back on in the next 30 minutes, fingers crossed. But honestly, power outages are pretty common, but it's still inconvenient because, again, if you have a store or anything, it's like the product's not gonna stay well if it's in a fridge. It kind of ruins the quality of stuff. But I've been waiting about 40 minutes to even get an Uber to go into town to get groceries and pesos. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Bye. I'm making tuna salad because that's what I feel like eating. I'm probably gonna eat one more time. Cut up the onions, cut up cilantro, and I'm about to take the eggs out from my tuna salad. I'm gonna be making me just tuna salad sandwiches, and I should have chips in it, but I want some chips because I'm starving. I didn't get to really vlog that much because at the store, I don't know, it's been an interesting experience to face racism, and then also, like, I guess national, like, people don't like Americans anyway, but being a black person on top of that, it's been a bit rough for me to kind of be okay with the way that people think that they're allowed to just treat me, and also thinking that I can't speak Spanish or understand what they're saying. Someone was in line behind me and they could have went to the other aisle because there was no one there, but they were trying to get their stuff for free. So they were basically asking the cashier, who was also rude, if I was getting all that and why was I getting all this stuff. And it's like, you don't know me, you have never seen me, I've never seen you, you don't know if you'll ever see me again. But I live literally almost 30 minutes away from like the main city, which is Progresso. So it's just annoying, but I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'm about to finish making the food for us, and yeah, not doing much today, just chilling.